All right, so today we're going to do something you probably have not heard of this, but they're called division quilts. And this is basically a visual way to show what division looks like so that you can't just, more than just doing it, you can understand it, which is a huge part of math, is to understand how things work and how things look. So first of all, to do this, you'll need your math notebook. If you don't have this, try to find some kind of lined paper with grids on it. And then colored pencils. You don't need this many, probably like 3 or 4 colors would be sufficient, but you will need some colored pencils for this to make it work properly. And then you'll open up your notebook. And let me just do one. You don't need to write anything. Let me just do one as an example, and then we'll do some together. So we'll start with 25 divided by 4. And when you do division quilts, the first thing you need to do is take the number that is being divided, and you need to make that number of boxes. So sometimes you can make a square or a rectangle and it's really easy. Other times it might be a little bit of an odd looking shape, but 25 is pretty easy. That's a square number. So I'm going to go 5 by 5, like so. And then next, I'm going to divide it by 4. So I need to make groups of 4 within my 25. So you can make your groups of 4. Again, this is a pretty simple one. There's some groups of 4, there's another group of 4, and then you can color your groups of 4 to make the quilt look. And then whatever doesn't fit in the quilt, you put a number in. So I have 1 left over. So what is 25 divided by 4? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the remainder of 1. And there's 2 ways to write that. In America, we used to do it like that. I think in Japan, people write it with 3 dots like that. Either one's fine. So let's try another one. And again, I'll just demonstrate this one. You don't even need to write this. Then I'll give you a list of some you can work on your own. But 32 divided by 5, 32 has a lot of multiples, or a lot of factors, I mean. So there's a lot of different rectangles I can make. I'm just going to do, let's see, I'll do 4 by 8 for my rectangle. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then I am looking for groups of 5. You can do it any way you want. I'll go like this, 4, 5. And then that's 5 more. And then that would be 5 more. There's 5 more. Like this. And then this. And then I have a remainder of 2. So then the answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the remainder 2 for 32 divided by 5. So now we'll do one together, then I'm just going to give you a list of some to work on. And why don't I give you a prime number here so it's a little bit of an odd shape. Okay, how about 23 divided by 5? 23 is a prime number, right? So I can't make a rectangle with 23 squares in it. So, but I know, let's see, 5 times 4 is 20. So if I go 5 by 4, that would give me 20. And then if I just go add 3 more, I think that will give me 23. Let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 23. Okay, there it is. And now I'm dividing by 5. So how am I going to do this? So I could go, that's 5, that's 5, that's 5. And then there's 5 more, and I have 3 left over. So the answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4 with the remainder of 3. So even though most of you can do these problems on your own without visualizing them, this will help you understand them a little bit better. So let me go ahead and give you some problems to do in your own notebook, and I'll write them over here. So there's 4 you can work on. Spread those out in your notebook and do them. And when you're done for my class, please take a picture of them and upload them to Google Classroom. And these are our division quilts. So thank you very much and goodbye.